A freak accident claimed the life of a man in Portland today and left the community of Springbank shaken. It said the man died after he fell from a tree while picking breadfruits. We have more in this report.
This is as far as our news team could go on the advice of the police. The lush hillside of Springbank, Portland, where 38-year-old Edward Green met his demise. We were told he was picking breadfruit some meters away from this location around 8 o'clock Friday morning when he fell from the tree. His son found him grimacing in pain on the ground minutes after the incident and alerted residents.
We was out by this inside the slaughter's house, and the little boy come and call Pam, and Pam called me. So we said, what happened? Him say, him father call we. And by him say, we say, him father call. We say, what happened to your father? And say, him father lay down on the ground. Right? And I said, what do your father? He said, his father said, if he call him, say, him father drop out of a tree.
They responded as soon as they got the news, but it turned out they were too late.
And when we reach down the sun and go across the river, he call me and say, if you hurry up and come. We say, we are come and catch you, we are woman and we're not used to the road, we have to take the time. And when we go, we see you lay down and just roll so, and roll so. And say, in belly. I say, you can't sit down up? He said, no.
Minutes later, he was unresponsive. The police and fire department were called. Onlookers gathered to get a glimpse of his lifeless body, some expressing disbelief. Mr. Green was later pronounced dead. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.